Indian actor Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif's romance, that rather ended abruptly, was caused by a physical spat on the sets of Ek the Tiger, reports CineBlitz. As per the media source, Salman beat up Katrina after she showed up on the set wearing skin-exposing clothes. The magazine report read, Salman was supposedly sitting out on the set, waiting for his heroine to emerge from her vanity van. When she did, it was allegedly in a figure-hugging, a cleavage-revealing dress that showed too much skin. Or so Salman is said to have felt. Irritated, he supposedly questioned her about what she was wearing and why. Katrina apparently shrugged her slim shoulders and quipped that it was the director's decision, a perfectly legitimate response, but one that evidently caused her ex-beau to flip his lid. "I'll see your director," he is supposed to have retorted hotly, before allegedly breaking out into a torrent of foul language. But worse was apparently yet to come. The magazine further stated that Salman Khan began hitting Katrina with a stick. The actress was then rescued by Katrina Kaif, who was also shooting for her film heroine in a nearby set. Katrina later spoke to Salman and calmed him down. Many sources ever since the article published in 2012 deemed it fake. The media outlet confirmed there were many witnesses who saw the event unfold.